Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Express Checkout. This powerful feature allows your customers to complete purchases quickly, often in just a few clicks, by leveraging their existing PayPal accounts. It significantly streamlines the checkout process, reducing cart abandonment rates by up to 35%. By offering a familiar and trusted payment method, you enhance customer confidence and provide a seamless shopping experience, ultimately boosting your sales and improving overall customer satisfaction. To set up PayPal Express Checkout, first log into your PayPal business account. Navigate to your account settings and locate the website payments section. Here, you'll find the option to enable Express Checkout. Ensure your business information is complete and verified, as this is a crucial step for activation. You might need to confirm your email address and link a bank account. This foundational setup typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete. Integrating Express Checkout into your website involves adding specific code snippets or utilizing a plugin for your e-commerce platform. For platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, there are often built-in integrations or readily available extensions that simplify the process. You'll typically need your API credentials from your PayPal account. Follow the detailed instructions provided by PayPal or your platform to ensure a smooth and secure implementation, which usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. The primary benefits of using PayPal Express Checkout include increased conversion rates and reduced friction for your customers. Shoppers appreciate the convenience of not having to re-enter shipping and billing information. To optimize its effectiveness, place the Express Checkout button prominently on your product pages and shopping cart. Consider a /B testing its placement and wording to achieve the best results, potentially increasing your checkout completion by 20 to 40%. This small change can yield significant returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.